Hello guys, I am Utkarsh, your host in this series Discover AI, brought to you by the Society of Artificial Intelligence. Today we will be learning about the future of artificial intelligence. AI is the ability of machines to observe, learn, explore, and adapt to scenarios. When this cycle goes on repeatedly, then the machines develop an adaptive approach to make decisions on their own. Although AI could take a decade or more to improvise, but autonomous cars will one day ferry us from one place to another. AI powered robots work alongside humans to perform a limited range of tasks like assembly and stacking. Virtual nursing assistants monitor the patients, and big data analysis helps them to create a more personalized experience. AI can analyze big data sets, pulling together patients' insights and leading to predictive analysis. It is not far away when AI will be detecting common diseases as well as providing proper suggestions for medication. The consequences of this could be no need for doctors in the long term, resulting in job reduction. The development of a country depends on the quality of education the youth is getting. Right now, we can see there are lots of courses available on artificial intelligence. But in the future, AI is going to transform the classical way of education. The education system could be quite effective and can be according to the individual's personality and ability. It would give chance to brighter students to shine and to imbecile a better way to cope up. Quantification of growth for any country is directly related to its economic and financial condition. AI algorithm is being used in managing the equity funds. An AI system could take a lot number of parameters while figuring out the best way to manage the funds. AI-driven strategies in the field of finance are going to change the classical way of trading and investing. AI-assisted military technologies have built autonomous weapon systems which won't need humans at all, hence building the safest way to enhance the security of a nation. We could see a robot military in the near future, which is as intelligent as a soldier or commando and will be able to perform special tasks. The deep neural networks learn faster and continuously keep learning the main problem. AI taking over everything is a hypothetical concept where the machines will rule over humans and the universe as we see in movies. AI will become the future of growth. It is not like there is no future with or without AI. AI will become the front wheels of development towards the view of changing the world. It will effectively, fluently, and interactively lead humanity to find the answers to some new questions and make this universe a safe and peaceful place. This was all for this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot to go with ahead. Thank you and enjoy learning with the Society of Artificial Intelligence.